Alright, man, just like that, finished up for the day. Trading has been finished. Yeah. Oh, it's you, man. Future multi-millionaire successful trader. That's what's up. Welcome to the video, bro. What's good? If you don't know who am I, I'm a day trader. I've been day trader for 3.5 years, and welcome to another point of view of a day trader on Wednesday. And I gotta be totally honest with you, I just finished up live trading with the team in the Discord, and no trades taken today. And the reason why I'm showing this is the simple fact, this is the simple reality, and sometimes trades are not gonna be taken. Because if you think about it, the reason why I chose trading is the freedom, bro. I can choose when I trade, I can choose how much I get paid, I can choose which times will I take a trade, when am I going to skip a day, etc. etc. Today I skipped a day. I was in the session, I was educating my team. However, we didn't find a trade because I was looking to short. But I'm gonna show you exactly what happened in a minute. But basically no trades taken today, and that's cool. I don't gotta rush anymore. And I have a rule that I'm going to de-risk until it's November. So literally 2 days and it's November. Then I'll rush normally because price action lately, like maybe couple of like 1 week, has been moving sideways in the higher time frame zone. I'm gonna show you exactly that in a minute. But yeah, basically it has been kind of shitty price action. But regardless, that's why I'm de-risking now till the end of the month. Yesterday I took one trade, I made $500, one winner, and Monday I didn't take a trade because of the same reason. Price action was today price action was pretty good. However, it didn't play the way I wanted it to play, and that's what's up. But yeah, had an amazing session in the Discord. But for some further information, if you're new here, what's good? Welcome to my channel. If you don't know who am I, my name is Adrian Cash. I've been day trading for 3.5 years. I have been profitably day trading consistently in these markets for 1.5 years. That's pretty consistent, right? And that's why I'm teaching it. But I was losing for 2 years. But however, I would have become profitable way faster if I would have learned from the right person, the right strategy at the right time. And that's why I'm here to motivate, innovate, and educate you so you can become profitable way faster than I did. So now I'm going to show you exactly why didn't I take the trade. So let me show you. All right, so session opened here 9:30 a.m. Eastern time. That's the AM session, New York Stock Exchange. Session opened, price was bearish in the beginning, as you can see. Nice, now it's downtrend. We took a lot of stuff like order blocks, etc. We had a 4-hour time frame OB. We were feeling it a lot. However, it didn't give us any reaction in the beginning, but then it started to give us reaction to the upside. However, the reason why I didn't want to buy the market immediately is for the simple fact that we actually broke structure in the 4-hour time frame. We started to form up this hard time frame downtrend. We can literally see this. This is a lower low, and then we create this lower high, and obviously now expecting to go down. However, I have a rule that I only trade for 1.5 hours in my day maximum, and today I saw that it didn't give us the reaction that I wanted to see, but now it actually is looking pretty clean. However, I'm not gonna trade in the PM session, but right now this actually now took out this sweep pretty nicely. Now, to be honest, now it would be an amazing time to short the market. However, I'm not gonna take a trade because first of all, I should announce it to my team, etc. And I'm not gonna trade right now because it's like almost 1 p.m. Eastern time. But regardless, I was in the session. Later we got the reaction, but then we kind of tapped into the 4-hour time frame bearish order block, and it didn't give us reaction in the beginning. So in the end, at the end, it started to lose some volume around here. Around at 10 a.m. it started to lose volume, etc. And then because of that, it didn't give us reaction. I didn't want to look further anymore for some trades. So that's what's up. Obviously, yeah, here would have been nice buys, but the reason why I didn't want to buy today is for the simple fact that we were super bearish, which is broke structure in the 4-hour time frame to the downside, and etc. Start to form up this nice downtrend, and we didn't react in the beginning to these areas, and that's the simple fact. But regardless, it doesn't really matter because yesterday was $500 made, and I'm gonna take it easy till it's November. I'm gonna take it super easy till it's November, and November I'm gonna risk normally again. However, this month has been super profitable as usual, and if you want to live trade with me every single day, it should be the first link in the description. But I understand if you want to get the free course, etc., then it should be the first link as well. But yeah, I'm gonna now hit the gym. I will update you at the gym, do a leg workout, and then after the gym I'm gonna eat some food, update you, bring you some more value, etc. But I'm gonna take you to this day of mine. But pretty much nowadays I'm just freaking grinding, delaying gratification a lot, and that's why I'm also recording these videos, because I want to motivate you, innovate you, and educate you. So if you want to get the free course Discord, first link in the description. Yeah, become profitable. But yeah, man, pretty much this is my day. Pretty, in my country it's a little bit later than it's in Eastern time, but still it's pretty calm day. But yeah, man, regardless, I'ma hit the gym now. I'll see you at the gym. Leg day. Alright, man, so I pretty much came home. It's currently getting kind of late, not gonna lie, but it was a good training session after the trading session, if you know what I mean. But fun fact, guys, fun little fact that I'm about to tell you. This is the 4-hour time frame. Yes, do you guys remember when I said previously that this got swept and it's most likely gonna go down? Well, it did go down, and now it took out this liquidity down here. Might go up from here because a nice rejection, but it went down a lot when I said that, and it is pretty easy to see and spot. And I'm not here to flex on you that I have the skills. No, bro, it just took me some time to master these markets, and now I'm here to show you the reality. Now I'm here to teach you, and if you want to learn complete for free, then it should be the first link in the description. But yeah, but this was a little vlog, like a point of view of a day trader on Wednesday. Didn't take a trade. Tomorrow is Halloween, and yeah, man, happy Halloween. But yeah, man, guys, I'll see you in the next one. As usual, I'll see you on the other side. Peace out.